Oh my goodness, Rocky. Hey. Well, it's 5:15 a.m. and Rocky wants heat and food. So we better give him what he wants, eh? Hello. Good morning, Rocky. Okay, I'll get you some heat and food, okay? I will. Look. Okay, here we go now. This one here, I think is supposed to be turkey, or no, chicken. It's a chicken one. Okay, here we go. Hey. It's a good time when the heat in the food comes out, eh? Okay. Yeah. Hold on. I know. I understand. Oh, he's all excited. He says there's going to be food. Oh, hey. Okay, here you go. There you go. There's your food. Hey, you silly little guy. Okay, let's get the heat going here. It's going to be a big deal to get the heat going, too. There it is. There it is. Heat and food. We're having a good day so far here at Camp Crazy with heat and food. We are. Hey, there you go. Look at him eating up there, having his breakfast. All right. Anyway, I'm going to get back in the bed here. All right. So there you go. There you have it. Rocky and I have now heat and food. So, well, Rocky has food. Anyway, I've got heat. Rocky's got heat too, though, of course. But, all right, that's it for now. I reckon Rocky and I will see you later. Look at him go, eh? Look at you go, Rocky. Okay, bye for now.